Quick reply to all those who responded to my video about my Misfiring Berlingo HDi. We've disconnected the return feed and fed it into a bottle today. No improvement, still misfiring. So we're still at a bit of a loss. Thank you for all your suggestions. If you commented on that video, we're actually going to get a mobile mechanic in later this week and see if he can diagnose what the issue is, because we really need this thing back in action, because this thing is way too thirsty. And yes, if you haven't been to my channel before, that is an Australian Ford Fairmont that I bought in New Zealand a few years back, and it drinks a lot more fuel than this thing.